Bruh.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch around the house.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't want peace. I want problems.
I'll go to the restroom.
All you have to do is
out of there, or if someone is stranded by water, the National Guard could work.
What's your problem now? Are you mad that I took Mr. Frog away? Why you gotta be so cute? You're so handsome.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
It's a baby. Oh no, we're not doing that. No! No.
Monroe.
I don't know how many cats there are. Look at that face.
Man, I'm bored. Hey, you wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Hey, you wanna go outside? Hey, you sleep? Hey, you sleep? Hey, you sleep? You sleep? You sleep? You sleep?
No, dude. No. No! Oh!
He stopped.
Can't find.
Buddy, come here. Hello. Turn around. Let me see that ass. Turn around. Oh. No, he didn't. Oh! He slipped. Oh god. job. You should be in the circus. Oh.
If I fell in love with you, would you promise to be true and help? Aw.
You knocked it over, Toph. Tophy girl.
Booty so big, Lord have mercy. Well, here comes Lena.
Oh, wow.
We bet on it.
Rusty, what are you gonna do? Oh my god. Oh my god, do not jump on there. No. No. No! Easy, you are not jumping up there. Easy. No, you're not. You're not gonna do it. Oh, you.